Okay, what is up everyone? Today is Halloween and I'm going to be opening up a booster box. I did get this from Medkai. As you can see, I have one of the play mats that he sent to me. Also this booster box. But if you'd like, go ahead and go support his channel. It's Medkai. He has the Tran Boys LLC. I'll show y'all that. But it is an online TCG store that specializes in Metazoo. So make sure to get your Metazoo product from him. And you can use code MZBBY10 for 10% off. So it'd be Metazoo Baby 10. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into this. I already opened it because I always struggle to open them. So let's see. This is my first ever booster box that I'm ever opening. So this is so exciting. I'm probably gonna keep the box because it's my first booster box. So here we go. We have 36 Seance packs. I'm gonna open it like that. Probably hold it on my knees. I'm just gonna jump right in from the first pack, and then we will see what it is. Ooh, full hollow space rock dagger. So far, this is the art set that had the hollow. I don't know if I've heard, but there's some kind of like mapping going on, but I'm still just gonna open all of them. Oh wait, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Reverse hollow, third eye man. 2, 3, 4. It should be this one. Reverse hollow, DC the Demon Cat. We have this pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, a full hollow Manic Swamp. And I think it came out of this pack. Ooh. We'll go to this one. Little doggy. 4. We'll see what this is. Reverse hollow Boojum. We'll do another doggy one. And reverse hollow Bet Sphere. Now we'll jump into one of these. Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Ooh, kissy bug. This one is so cute. We need to do a bug set. Another butterfly one. 2, 3, 4. Ready? Reverse hollow elf, Colorado Springs elf. And then next we have 2 of these. So we'll see if these are full hollows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And ooh, a black Aggie. I think you just pulled one today, right? Here we go. Is there serialized? No. Now we have another one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. See what this is. Ooh, the Calipode. This was one of my favorite ones because of the rainbow, the colors. Is it focusing? How do I do that? There we go. I also want to check if they're serialized. This one wasn't, but that's okay. I think this artwork also had the full hollows, so we'll check on that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Ooh, a medium's crystal eye. This is one of the cards I got in the spoilers for Collecticon, but it was reverse hollow. So I haven't seen that in full hollow. This artwork should have a hollow. 2, 3, 4. And ooh, a spear, an orb. Heat lightning orb. Here we go. Now we have 2 of these. Wow, this is so exciting. It's so many packs. I've never done this many packs at once. 2, 3, 4. Reverse Hollow, Snow Ghost. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, it's, I think Orange Ice. Reverse Hollow. Now we have 2 of these. Ooh. 2, 3, 4. A Reverse Hollow. Burned Cross Ghost. I want to see this in play. I haven't seen that one. Another Butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And reverse. Oh, another one of these. The Third Eye Man. This one's cute. There's a little third eye right there. Now we have 2 of these. And we're kind of like in the middle of the box. It's usually when things start to get crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get the Possession Aura. Ooh, a Splinter Cap full hollow. At least I'm getting forest cards. I have another one of these. So far it's been like 2 of these full hollows and 2 of these that have full hollows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Whoa, I haven't pulled this. Alaskan Ice Monster. This is the Seance chassis. There we go. Look at that hollow, it's so pretty. Okay, now this is supposed to have hollows as well. Let's see what it is. Possession Aura is what we need. 4. And ooh, a chassis gallery. Another one. This is also supposed to have a full hollow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get something crazy. Ooh, a planchette. Let's keep going. Now it's the blue doggy. Ooh, that opened right up. 3, 4. Boop. Reverse Hollow Phantom Steamboat. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is a Drowned Pianist. If you hear me there. Okay. Butterfly. 2, 3, 4. Look at that forest orb. And poof. A Woozy Man. Another one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And poof. The Martian Beast. Okay, now we're back to these. Let's see what these are. Maybe I should have shuffled them. It's kind of like an order. 2, 3, 4. And we are... Ooh, another Wingguck. Let's see what this one is. We're kind of towards like the bottom of the box now. So this is where the Possession Art is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Another Lightning Orb. Okay, and we should be getting more hollows. Y'all can see the pattern. 2, 3, 4. And should I just start going through these? We'll do it for this one. There's the dark, effigies. Maybe I could do it for the hollows. Ooh, another Calipode. This box has doubles. Let's see. Gotta make sure it's not a serialized. Look at the hollow. Now imagine Metazoo did an eyeshadow with this hollow. 2, 2, 3, 4. I'll go through this one as well. Ready? Oop, I did too. It was a hot deer. Possession. Ooh, Mancac Swamp Sunken. I think that's my second one of these as well. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Here we go. And then we're back to these. I wonder how many more of the hollow ones we have. Okay, yeah, we have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just jump to another of the bees. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, this is the platypus, Alaskan platypus. Back to this set. Oh gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, another one of these orange eyes. Okay. We have one more of these, and then we should have 4 hollows in here. Should be. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And boom. I think this is an orb. Here we go. Now we have these. Ready? I'm gonna hold the box up. There we go. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what these are. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, the full hollow orb. This is super playable. This is pretty much like a prism, but it has LP and it's an artifact and everything. But you can convert it for any aura type. So that's good. And it has a destroyed effect. So you can destroy this. But look at that. This is my first one of these. Go. Here's this. They put all of the 2, 3, 4. All the crazy pulls at the bottom. One more? Huh?
That one's a...
This is a what? This is the possession?
Oh,
Oh, you scared me. Basket or Grist.
I thought it was
The color's right. This is my first one of those too. Okay, we have 2 more packs. Let's go with this one. I'm getting nervous. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, actually, I need this card. Or my deck.
I thought you didn't like appendix.
In your deck, because you put 2. But I think 1 is enough.
Yeah, I'm running one now.
Yeah. Ready? Oh, this is a Splinter Cat. Cute. This is like my 4th one of these. I think it's signed. Wait, how many can you play? 4. I have a full set of these. That might be a Lightning Force coming soon. This is the last pack. Let's get last pack magic from y'all. Ready? Let's see what we get. Let me fix that eyelash. Okay. Since it's the last pack, I'm just gonna go right through it. 3, 4. But I kind of already showed you everything. Oh, bone token. Y'all, I really like how in the game, like if you play, you now have to actually use tokens. And you know me, if you see me play, I always have like a certain token out. But the fact that people have to use them, I think that's so cool. Because now you can really see everyone's tokens at nighttime. Flame Aura. Someone told me how to say it the other day, but I forgot. Birds. Ooh, Kissy Bug. And then the Stick Man. The Moon. This is one of the ones for the tarot cards. No, it's not. Here is the Black Dog. The Worms. And the Hermit. Oh, cool. Cisco Grove Entities. This is my first one of these as well. That is such a pretty hollow. What is this? Cosmic and Lightning. Wow. Look at that. Okay, but that is it for the booster box. This is so much fun. I'm like I'm definitely gonna keep this box. This is my first booster box, so I'm gonna have to hold this for memory. There we go. Okay, but thank y'all so much for watching. Again, thank you again to Kai for sending me the booster box and all these extra goodies. Y'all make sure to check out his website. It's tranboysllc.com. Here we go. If you want to see everything, he has his email on there. It's kind of blurry, but you can check his Instagram. It's meta.kai, and then his YouTube is metakai as well. So if you buy something from his website, remember you can get 10% off using MZBBY10. All right, bye. Thank you.